Hello, Dr. Mangan. I'm Sharice Fekni, and welcome to my instructional video presentation on the Pythagorean theorem. More than 2,000 years ago, a mathematician named Pythagoras was one of the best minds. He made an astonishing discoveries about triangles, and he innovated the Pythagorean theorem. This lesson provides the concept of the Pythagorean theorem, and students will be able to explain the proof of the theorem and apply this theorem to determine the length of an unknown side in a right-angled triangle.
Let's look around this corridor for shapes, especially right angles. I see one right angle here in this corner. I look up, I see another right angle. Let's look around this corridor for right angles. I see right angle here. I see another right angle here on this door.
Let's look at this triangle ABC. Sides A and sides B form this right angle, and the side C is called the hypotenuse. The Pythagorean theorem states that for a right-angled triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. Let us make side A 3 units, side B 4 units, and side C 5 units. Let us now prove the Pythagorean theorem. All you need is one graph paper, and on that graph paper, make side A 3 units, side B 4 units, and side C 5 units. The square of side A will give us 9 units on your graph paper. The square of side B will give us 16 units. That is for side B, and for side C, if we square 5, we will get 25. You can pause this video at any time and do your graph. Now, let's do the calculation. 3 square gives us 9, 4 square gives us 16, and when we add that together, we get 25. And the value of 25 is the value of C, which is 5 times 5, 25.
Ready.
I will now present the Pythagorean theorem. And this theorem states that if we have a right angle triangle, here is the right angle. It's represented by a little square at this corner. And the theorem states that the square of the two legs, which is A and B, is equal to the square of the hypotenuse. That is, A square added to B square is equal to C square. Let's say now we want to find the length of C. Let's say that's the missing value, and we know the length of A is 6. The length of B is 8. So we use the formula A square plus B square is equal to C square. Let's put the value of A here. A is equal to 6, so it will be 6 square added to 8 square is equal to C square. Squaring the value gives us 36 plus 64 is equal to C square. Adding these two values gives us 100 is equal to C square. Now, if we want to find C, we take the square root on both sides of the equation. So we have the square root of C square is equal to the square root of 100, or C is equal to 10. That is how we find the side C as 10.